Good morning, sixth grade. It's really difficult to have class whenever I don't know much about you, the virtual students. So I want to take the opportunity today to learn a little bit about you. So what you see here is the document that you're going to be filling out today. You're going to answer a few questions about yourself to help me kind of wrap my brain around exactly what you might be thinking in terms of future education and career. So like I told you yesterday, we're going to dream in this class. So I want you to use your imagination a little bit, think about yourself in the future, and answer these questions to the best of your ability. So the directions here say, please answer the following questions using complete sentences. Now, I'm not going to destroy your grade if you make a grammatical mistake, but I would like for you to do the best you can to answer these incomplete sentences. So even if it's a one-word answer like yes or no, put that in a complete sentence. Yes, what? What are you answering? No, what? What are you answering? I'm going to go through here so you get to know a little bit about me. I'm going to try to remember what it was like to be in sixth grade. And the first question, it just simply says, what future career do you find interesting? Career or job, which is basically the same thing. I think in sixth grade, I really wanted to play professional baseball. But even then, knowing that, I probably wasn't going to be a professional athlete if I was realistic about it. So in sixth grade, I was kind of interested in being in broadcasting. I thought it would be fun to be like the people that call the games instead of the players. I thought I could sit in a booth and just talk about what I see in the game. And so I found that career interesting at that age. I wanted to call games for the White Sox, a professional baseball team out of Chicago. Why was that career or job interesting to you? Well, to me, it was because of, like I said, I was into baseball. That was my favorite team, and I thought that'd be a cool way to get paid just to travel around and watch the games and make money that way. The next question says, would you like to go to college after high school? When I was sitting in your desk, I didn't really care anything about college. I wasn't a big fan of school, and I was hoping to get out of it as soon as possible. So I didn't really picture myself in college at the time. Now remember, that's a yes or no question. Would you like to go to college after high school? But I still want you to write that in a complete sentence. So say, yes, I would like to go to college, or no, I'm not really interested in it. What is your favorite subject in school? Again, put that in a complete sentence. I know mine, whenever I was growing up, with science. I just loved learning how things worked, and it helped kind of explain things I didn't understand in the world. Science, I always felt like gave real clear pictures of that. It says, if you had to pick, would you select a job you love or a job that makes you rich? And then explain why. So obviously, or hopefully, you don't have to make this decision in real life. It'd be nice if you could have one that does both. But I think whenever I was your age, I probably would have said I want a job that makes me rich. Being a teacher, I am not in a job that makes me rich financially, but obviously I'm taken care of. So I ended up picking a job that I love and not one that makes me rich. But I want you to tell me what you would pick if you had to select and why you would make that choice. And then finally, the last question I'd like to know about today is, do you think you will work harder at your job than you do at school? Explain your answer. So not saying that you don't work hard right now, but do you feel like whenever you get that first job or that career that you'll actually apply yourself more than you do to your schoolwork? Do you think it'll be about the same, or do you think maybe even less? And then again, explain your answer why. Tell me why you're picking what you picked. Shouldn't take you very long to do that. It's kind of a laid-back day. I want to remind you guys that I actually have a doctor's appointment today, so I will not be able to answer your emails or private comments today. I will be out of the school and away from my computer. So anything that you send me today, I'll respond to promptly tomorrow, but today you probably won't hear from me other than this video. So just go ahead. You'll be able to type your answers directly in the boxes that I provide here. So just type your answers in those. And whenever you're done, just click turn in or mark the assignment as done. And that will tell me that you're finished. And then I'll read through them and grade them. Thank you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.